Hey friends, Elizabeth here from Plant-Based Bride, back again with our last Plantmas video of 2021. Today for Plantmas Day 12, I'm setting up a few simple spreads for my husband for January in his bullet journal. I decided to move forward with the same theme that I did for his general bullet journal setup, just because I was really a big fan of it, and I thought it would be nice to keep it consistent. So the theme is the same, lines and circles, but instead of using a black fine liner, I'm using Picheline from my Archer and Olive acrylograph collection. This was a limited edition color, and it's a nice deep olive shade. And I chose to quote Ernest Hemingway with, "Night is always darker before the dawn." Using a ruler and my circle template to get nice, clean lines. As always, all of the supplies I'm using are linked in the description box down below. I've had so much fun with Plantmas this year, and it seems like y'all have too. I would love to know which video from all of the 12 Plantmas videos was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. Now that I've finished my quote page and cover page, I'm flipping over to the monthly calendar. And we've switched back to a 2-page monthly for my husband. He uses his monthly calendar pretty heavily, so he likes to have a little bit more space than I need, for example, in my monthly calendar, which I tend to put on a single page. I love how simple, easy, and fast this theme is, but that it also has this distinct designed feel to it. I feel like this kind of a theme is great for anyone who isn't as artistically inclined or is just super busy, but still wants their bullet journal to look nice, to look polished, and to not be 100% minimal with no design elements at all. Something like this can elevate your bullet journal just that little bit as far as graphic design goes, without it having to take a lot of time or a lot of supplies or any particular artistic skill. With the calendar done, I'm flipping to our final spread, just setting up the beginning of his notes pages, which he scribbles in day to day while he's at work. As you can see, the January spreads go really nicely with the yearly spreads since they are that same theme, but I love that switching from the yearly spreads into the January spreads shifts from black to green. And of course that the green matches the olive green cover of my husband's bullet journal, which is the A5 olive branch notebook, which I designed as part of my collaboration with Archer and Olive. Sadly, my collaboration is sold out, but Archer and Olive has new notebooks coming out all the time and a bunch of awesome colors of acrylographs, so check them out for your stationery needs. You can always use my affiliate code PBB10 for 10% off. And that is it for this video. So quick, so simple, so easy. I wanted to finish this off with something really light and easy breezy. I am so happy to have shared yet another Plantmas with all of you. Whether it was your first Plantmas or you've been here for a few at this point, I appreciate you. 2021 has been a hard year, but it's also been the most amazing year, and I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you. So I hope you have a wonderful end of 2021, whether it's the holiday season for you or not. I hope you are able to rest and practice some self-care and maybe spend some time either in person or virtually with loved ones. And I hope you're able to approach 2022 feeling rested and excited for a brand new year. Thank you, as always, to my patrons for your support. I could not do this without you. If you at home want to join the squad, feel free. There's a link in the card and in the description box down below. I will be taking a few weeks vacation from posting so that I can rest and recover after the chaos that is Plantmas. Feel free to go back and watch Plantmas videos that you missed, or maybe videos throughout the year that you missed if you're looking for new content to entertain you. And I'll see you back here in 2022. Bye, friends.